Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Shami Eats and Treats. Click on that subscribe button and get ready because today we'll be making Bami, an okra stew. Here we're going to saute some onions. Now we'll add a pound of cubed meat. Here we're adding 2 tomatoes, 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt, a bit of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of allspice. After letting the tomatoes break down a bit, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of tomato paste that were blended with 2 cups of water. Here I'm adding a tablespoon of sugar to cut down the acid of the tomatoes. Once it simmers, let's add a pound of okra, either fresh or frozen. Cover and simmer until the meat is tender. In a small pan, we'll take some butter, 2 cloves of mashed garlic, and a teaspoon of ground coriander, and a bit of red pepper paste. Let's add this to your simmering stew. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice just for that extra zing. Some vermicelli rice on the side.